authentic, you know? Why like funny hair, funny cool. Bird, funny grill. Get him, boy. Get him. Yeah, man, you know, up on Riverside. So today we are outside with Fowl Wildlife TV peeps. Right now he's up in a light tree. Kirk outdoor living, you know. Kirky, yeah. Why else the TV?
Yes, people. Down there, go. We still in a next mission. I'm going to go out there to fall in the tree there. Light tree. You might got light and anything get light. You know what I mean?
Yes, my peeps. Come, let me show them the peeps. Kirky. So what Kirky have in his hand right here is a star fruit, guys. See? Yeah, man. Most of you know it as jumbling. But you see this? You have some of them here. There's some of them sweet, some of them in between. And some of them, when you bite this, oh God, man, if you smile turn up, it turn down. So, yes, my peace. But as you say, I go up on the Riverside, I go up on a mad hunting idea. We don't know what the future might bring. So, as we do, we are go around, we are look food in the bush same way. You know, the fall in the tree there. Yo, fall, watch that. So, leave on us, man. Leave right on us. Yes, then to the bus. Dear man. Oh, you can reach him. You have to go take on him.
You have to go fly like bird.
You have to fly like bird? See them, Kirky? Who are them ripe? See the one bunch side? Yeah, man. And that fold just says, man. And then bossy ripe. So, yes, my peeps. So, as I say, Kirky there. You know? And we have the red over there, peeps. Full of the slingshot same way. So, you know, say anything. I throw to, like, I get some more, I throw to line. Full of a slingshot. If we get a bird, we have a piece of pork in a bag. We have cook that up in a bamboo, you see me? Yeah, man. We cook up the pork in a bamboo. You know? So stay tuned, peeps. Now you're outside like all the time. Oh, what that? Come. Outside now, you know? Yes, guys, so you watch our peeps? Outdoor, in one piece.
Yeah, man.
Yo, you say things you don't bite a piece of this? You don't bite it, Joe?
Yes, man.
Eh? I found part of peeps, it's already in there, man. You know, look at some fish in there, Kirky. You see no fish? Eh? Fishy. Fix the thing there. No, man, come in, man. Come in. So, yeah, man, my peeps, so, you know, we reach from the river spot. You know?
Oh, yeah, take it.
Yep, I can do it, man. You know? What? You know, peeps. Ay! Yeah. So, I'm going. Cooking spot this, you know? What's man? Oh, that looks nice. Oh, that's nice, peeps. I remember we did. Yo. Yeah. We did build some we call this now. We did build some step right there, so. Yeah, man, peeps. I'm gonna go down to the river and show you what going. See step them? Yeah, man, peeps. How we dig out them step here. Step. You know? And this is our table, you know. From the last time, you know. Yeah, man. I know a cooking spot here. This is a cooking spot, my peeps. We have some fire tick there from the last time. And you know, you see the water here, peeps? The water is having a whole heap of crab, but you see flood them over come wash away. Wash away the whole of the sea crab them and the fish them. You see? So we don't see them there now. I'm gonna find different fresh water. You see? So anyway, guys, I get to the hunt. I go down further, try fish them there. I drop full line of water. See? So stay tuned for that. Get it? Get it. Get it. Pull him, pull. Wait there. You run? You can't. Watch the bamboo in your face, yeah? That's how I can go around it. Bird. Funny grill. Get him, boy. Get him. You ain't broke. Yeah, man. We got them, man. Can't go up there. Get him. Where in the fall?
Right in so. He might run now like him gone down in a gully.
Eh? How in there? Peeps, a duppy bird. Duppy bird, peeps. How in there? Over here full of bamboo man. Foley. Where my shit there? How can I get wet to them and fuck up on the grill? Eh? Ah. That's my peeps. To a crab, you know? I'll let it go. You want to let it go in your turkey? If you eat it more, take it time and really much. Think you might come up? I might let it go. Oh God, turkey, let it go. Please, the pan, I give him that. Peeps, if you bang in there some steep with that, go down there for him, you know? You know it's time to go though. There now, more, you know? You know? No man, you know so we need to go in the river. All the bird too.
Bird in the garden, every bird, you have one bird in there, we have a crab in there. We're going to go down there and slide down and fall again.
Fall down. Give him a peep, so. You want more bait? You bait? Light. I give him more bait. So more land, when him more land, he will let go. You could mash up a bait, man. We don't give him all of this now, give him piece. No? Piece and use a worm for slugs, for line slug, you know? Look how weight span line. So look how I go on. You see it? This is a bait like this.
It must grab him.
See this? Watch him. What do I eat?
Pit eye worm.
Yeah man, come on. There man, take it up. Alright. Buang kain food. Buang kain food, Kirky man.
Angkai?
Buang kain food.
What mean angkai?
Stay kan tapi. Buang kain food man. Tricky shot, eh? Yeah, peeps, say crab down there and I eat. We give him a piece of food, you know? Food like shoot off him, eh?
Wow, you
Get him?
That's right side then.
You get. Oh, he no move. Kaki pin him.
He no move.
get in there.
He drop right side then, me no get it man.
You sure?
Sure.
Yeah, just say them. Same the same way. My eat worm.
So, I adjust it, here man now.
I just see. Must get that. No, him not get it though. Oh. Eh? Ayan itu eh. Oh, in the car there. I'm trying to take a car. As you can see, you know, we hunted it, but you know, how we get hunted. You see, yeah man, we're not going to today. Shoot a one bird and get him escape. And you know, this is just one dragon cyclist. So Kirk is one in Peru.
So we have people survival, no?
Alright.
People, we not catch and dash this. This is good on my belly.
Yeah. The ribs, I light up the fire, you know. I light the fire closer to this, eh? Out of the sun. So, fire ticker we have for the last time. So, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, the pizza, you know, say, I get it, wash off now the water, yeah?
Running water, spring.
Yeah? Running water from spring. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And you know, say, anything here, water you see me filter out, you see me?
Yeah.
But nothing, we don't know of no treatment plant, no sewage water, nothing like that running at this place, you see? Yeah man, so you see all the water low, look on the water, show them water, you see water pretty? Yeah man, straight at spring this a come from, way back in the mountains.
Yeah, yeah man, for real.
And to show us how the mountains that come from, a whole heap of mountain mullet, river mullet, we call them stream mullet, see them there? I see one that swim come up, you see him?
Yeah.
See him there? Yeah man.
Yeah,
Alright, so peeps, you jump off like deep part in the Kirky.
yeah,
So peeps, We are get them a beat up. Right now we are roast them the authentic way. Show them how I want to correctly. We have
Salt and pepper.
scotch pan pepper. We have some scotch pan pepper also. And so I put some salt on them. See? So stay tuned for that. The outside same way, you know? Alright.
Yes, people. You want to go and grab a pepper and have a mash up here. I might take a bush style with that on people.
Bush style.
Look how salt are going in it.
No salt in it, no salt.
No, I'm not salty, man. What's
Alright.
what, man? I'm not salty,
Check it
man.
out.
You just don't want salt, man. Look, people, you have a pepper in there. So mash it up there.
You go down part of stuff.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah, man. You're not salty, man.
Pepper go too easy, yeah? See how gone? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You got the thing.
That's it.
Yeah, man,
So you make this go and marinate,
brother, this one could be more salt. I know no salt.
Don't touch your eye, you know. Don't touch your eye.
I know that. I hope you not take a leap and hold on. Yes, people. You see there? Yeah, man, we are doing it. That's what you are going. Natural salt and pepper that can go up on the fire, you know? That is it, family.
Fire blaze,
Yeah.
you know? Fire burn up and burn down. See it? Japan, I think, pan the pork, pan the grill, no.
Yeah, but we have to choose and stick and stuff like that.
Yeah, man, I make a grill, man. A full of a tire, I make a grill, you know? Yes, I feel so. Stay tuned. There. Same way. Just stay back, make you go on. Yes, one of the feet. So I go on. I get them take a chop up, I get a measurement. So I go on. You know? You know, the great while, like, you know? So I chop up the stick. You drop it across it. I grill this way, building a peeps. Yeah, man. You know, I follow learn from me now. Yeah? And still, you know, thin away. Thin away DNA.
In the jeans.
Thin away DNA, see, so you know, we are Indian.
Yeah.
Back way, you know?
Donkey, yes.
Chop up them, and then wash them off. I want to look more than
We don't want roast cow. The roast cow over there.
Roast cow over there.
Yeah, man. You want to go for it. And in fat, you know. In fat, you know, man. Yeah.
Turkey. The turkey, if you think it don't marinate,
Yeah, man. Just salt and pepper, man.
I just rib them. I just drop them across it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so that's what's a good still in here, you know.
Alright.
Peace, what y'all got? Yeah, man, you know, up on Riverside, you know? One Kirk outdoor living, peeps. Remember, go over, like, share, and subscribe. Man, bad fall, you know? Yeah, man. Full Wildlife TV, you know? Some toast bread. Kirk, you know, but peanut butter, you need peanut butter. Take his peanut butter type bag. You see what I got, peeps? Yeah, man. Guys, Jamaica Adventures I talk to me. So like, share, and subscribe. Go outside, man. We go on a hunt today. When I catch not much, we shoot one bird. I'm like him a duppy. Oh, hi, disappear probably, you know? Yeah, man. So, we're outside like all the time. So, there.
Yeah, man, that is it.
Peanut butter pan the bread, eh?
I like jam.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You like jam? Okay.
You say you like jam?
Jam.
Peeps, you know? Peanut butter, bread, toast bread, and Riverside while the pork go on do the thing. Huh? Look around, go on. Go on. Funny water. What a pretty man. You know? Yeah, man, peeps. And then in place of the full of sea crab, you know. I see the about 2 miles long, so the way there, isn't it? And then you see full of sea crab, man. Crayfish used in there, or original crayfish, but peeps, this time change the place. Wicked. But that's how it goes still, you know. Good, summertime good for a change, you know, cause you know we are go there. We go on some different adventure, meet some different people, you know, peeps. Big up everybody we show support, you know. Remember guys, like, share and subscribe. All subscribe to them, big up on themselves. Stay safe. And you know we outside like all the time and doing the content them. Yeah, man. Kirk outdoor living, Full Wildlife TV. Yo, man. You see me? You know it. You know the fire burn on the grill now. You know what going?
A piece of bone over there, man.
Eh?
A piece of it.
Smell it? Nice, man. Look nice, eh? Which kind? Oh, this one? Yeah, man. Funny coals. Where's the Kirky? Funny cool, eh?
You know, nah, man.
Man, there, man.
Yes, people. I say, go to me relax, Right now, everything my pants black and dirty, I sit down in the wet place, so people.
Yeah.
I do that myself. Real deep people. You can ask better than them. Yeah, but with the funny man. Oh, keep the right there.
Yo, badadam.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody done know while program.
Road and the
And I see say, you have to crack up your bone and done.
Well done. So this a while, you can't spoil.
Right, like. People wonder, how do people good or right? Like we have it, our youth, the big of the general them, I don't know. Family over there, so. Okay.
That's it, that's it.
For a while, like, hey, my brother. Yeah, man, that's a good family. That's the name I go on.
Oops, one piece? Take piece. Come on, nice, though. Bite bone. Beef, salt and pepper alone go panis. What? Pepper hot. Pork nice. Authentic, you know. Why like pani fire, pani cool. Beefs, come on. Thanks for the support back all the time, you know. Yeah, man. You to know, this not possibly is in. Man, so you know, say, respect goes out to you all. Like, share, and subscribe. Remember, go over Full Wildlife TV. Kirk outdoor living. Like, share, and subscribe. It's a wrap. Yeah. Yeah.